Today on Saturday Sound Guy, we make some whooshes. Hey sound guys and girls, I'm Jimmy Hepworth, your Saturday Sound Guy, and I recently got this email. I'm trying to fill out my library. Can you record some whooshes? Thanks, Steven. Well, Steven, your whoosh is my command. I'm sorry, that wasn't even a real email, I just really wanted to make that joke. Whooshes are really important in film sound design, and they are everywhere.
I think I heard a whoosh.
You can find them in fight scenes, in projectiles, moving objects, and even in title cards and transitions. Case in point. So I've got my microphone set up here. I'm just going to take some household objects and make some whooshes out of them. I'm going to start with this paintbrush. I really like the whisk sound that it gives. So take a listen. This one took me actually a really long time to find. I wanted to find something that gave me a whistle whoosh, if that makes sense. So what I have here is the back of a pen that has been taped to a battery to give it some weight. And I'll show you what this sounds like. So there you go, Fictional Steve, some whooshes to fill out your library. And until next time, I'm Jimmy Hepworth, your Saturday Sound Guy. Thanks for watching. If you have a sound effect you'd like me to try, go ahead and leave me a note in the comments section down below.